Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for midterms in a week. First, gather all your course syllabi and notes to understand the scope of each exam. Then, identify your strongest and weakest subjects to prioritize your study time effectively. Create a realistic, hour-by-hour study schedule for the entire week, allocating specific blocks for each subject and topic. This structured approach is crucial for comprehensive coverage. To maximize your study time, engage in active recall by testing yourself without looking at your notes. Practice extensively with past exams or sample questions to familiarize yourself with the format and types of questions. Try explaining complex concepts aloud to solidify your understanding. Breaking down large topics into smaller, manageable chunks will prevent overwhelm and make learning more efficient. Creating an ideal study environment is key. Eliminate all distractions, especially from social media and your phone, to maintain focus. Ensure your study area has good lighting and comfortable seating to support long study sessions. Keep water and healthy snacks nearby to stay hydrated and energized. Remember to take short, regular breaks, perhaps every 45 to 60 minutes, to prevent burnout and refresh your mind. Your well-being is paramount during this intense study period. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to ensure your brain can consolidate information. Eat nutritious meals to maintain consistent energy levels throughout the week. On exam day, do a brief review of key concepts, but avoid cramming. Arrive early and prepared with all necessary supplies, feeling confident and ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.